I'm Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We take care of you and your car after an accident. Today I want to talk to you about when and where to have your vehicle towed after an accident. You should know this before the accident happens so you are prepared. When your vehicle is not safe to drive, it should be towed. Leaking fluids, broken headlights or taillights, doors, liftgate or hood that will not open and close correctly, or broken windows, wheels turned in or out, or airbags deployed. Any one of these means your vehicle is not safe to drive and should be towed. Where to have your vehicle towed is Runway Auto. Most rental policies are 30 days, and you could lose a week or more if your vehicle is not towed to your shop of choice. If it is towed elsewhere, we can insist in getting it towed to us. Rosann Kramer, taking care of you and your car after an accident.